tired of answering unknown calls or spam calls on your Samsung phone, there's actually a smart feature that lets you respond without speaking. In today's video, I'll show you how to use text calls so you can handle calls quickly and conveniently. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Tap on the phone app. Tap on the three dots here. Tap on settings. Tap on text call. If you enable this option, you can answer calls without saying a word, and a voice assistant will ask the caller why they are calling. When they reply, it will be transcribed into text, and you can type or reply responses that will be read aloud to the caller. Toggle this option on here. You can select the language of your voice assistant, choose the type and speed of the voice assistant, and also customize your quick responses for the text calls here. If you want to hear the other party's voice during the call in addition to the text display, toggle this option on here.
I can't talk right now. I'll call you back later. Is this urgent?
Yes, this is urgent.
Call you in 5 minutes.
There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.